Imagine a world where you get paid for the little things you do every day. You know, like brushing your teeth.
Huh?
Getting a cup of coffee.
Oh.
Driving to work.
Wow.
Well, it's no longer just a dream. It's Fronto, the Android app that pays you just for unlocking your screen. You know, that thing you do about 100 times a day anyway? Fronto delivers curated news, hot new apps, deals and promos right to your lock screen. You'll earn points each time you interact with the content, or even if you don't. It's that simple. Before you know it, you've earned a free cup of coffee here, $10 off of gas there, maybe even a new toothbrush. Fronto users have already unlocked more than $30 million in rewards. So download Fronto now and join more than 10 million people getting paid for what they do every day anyway. Simply unlocking their screens.
Hop on your phone when you have some time to spare to play games, find deals, and go shopping. But there are definitely more rewarding things you can do with your time. How about winning some real prizes instantly while you're on the go? Well, we found an app where you can do just that. It's called Lucktastic, and you won't want to put it down.
Well, Lucktastic, we redefined the exciting things that you can do on your smartphone and tablet. The Lucktastic app is the first free and fun app that gives you the opportunity to win cash and prizes instantly. There's no catch. It all happens on your phone. We have real winners every day. How does this happen? Well, we've partnered with some really great folks. Over 5 million enthusiastic players have made us #1 in the lifestyle app, ahead of Starbucks, Home Depot, and Domino's. And our recent release for Apple has seen even stronger, tremendous response from our players. We want to bring you great offers, great deals, introduce you to new great brands, and along the way give you the opportunity to really win.
To me, Lucktastic is a fun and free way where people can play fun instant win games where you can earn real-world rewards like gift cards and cash, and so much more.
Since launch, we've had nearly 250,000 players win real cash or redeem gift cards from major brands and retailers. I personally have had the pleasure of delivering $5,000 to $10,000 cash prizes to winners in Greenville, North Carolina, Long Beach, California, and places all in between. We then showcase our winners on our website, lucktastic.com, and across our social media channels, so definitely check it out.
Beyond their daily prizes, Lucktastic is the very first app to offer a $1 million prize. The best part, it's completely free, and they're guaranteeing a winner in 2016.
Well, first of all, we've already given away $1.2 million in prizes and rewards, and that's just the beginning. Now we're going to be giving away to one lucky winner $1 million in 2016. So all you have to do is play every day at Lucktastic for your chance to win.
To download the Lucktastic app for free, just search Lucktastic on the iOS and Android app stores or go directly to lucktastic.com.